bam, it's Sienna. Today we're going to be showing you how I catfish on the internet because we're taking this girl to a glam goddess, baby. If there's someone on this earth that looks wildly different with and without makeup on, it's me. Also going to be doing a review of these new hair extensions. These are Moresoo hair or Moresoo hair, I don't know. We're gonna test these babies out. Clip-in hair extensions, about 18 inches. Here they are. I'm just gonna like glance at them real quick. We're gonna do that after the makeup because I just wanna make sure my face is looking good first before we sit and talk about these. Ooh, okay, really soft. Ooh, okay. We're gonna have to curl these to blend them in with my hair. We'll get to that in a minute, okay? And we'll just like chat about life, you know? Shit has been kind of crazy in my world because I've just been doing some soul searching. And in case you guys are wondering, yes, I did get married to myself. Foundation, this is Dose of Colors. War paint up this face. Take my damp beauty blender, dab, dab, dab. This is the Jeffree Star concealer. I'm gonna go in with my translucent powder from Mana Kadar. Wait, who is this? Laura Mercier. Let's use some bronzer, Give Me Sun, and just kind of like warm this face up a little bit so I don't look like a dead corpse. I'm gonna kind of like chisel out these cheekbones, girl. This has been used in a abused Koki powder contour palette. It looks like crap, I've had it forever. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my orange. This is like bright ass orange, you guys. Look at this. I have had this for years. It's Excite by Ilamasqua. I don't know if you guys have your OG fan bammers and you've been with me for a long time. This is the same blush. I'm not talking about like a repurchased, like literally the same blush that I've had since I started this channel. Barely need to even boop, like that's it, you know? And then your cheeks are done. It's so crazy how pigmented this is. And then I've kind of been like putting the blush over my nose just a little bit and then a little bit up here and a little bit down here. Love, love, love my Becca powder. Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill. Like put it here. There's nothing like this. It's so buttery. Like I'm so mad. Why in the hell would they get rid of this? I don't even know. But and slap some of this on there. And that is my easy breezy 1, 2, 3 eye makeup. I just put the highlighter down the center. I think it's like easier to find where the contour goes if the highlighter is like already there, kind of mapping it out for you. And then I still snatch it by putting it like underneath, like right above the highlighter. Lately I've been using this lash liner. If you're gonna try this liner, you guys, it's so much easier for people that are not into putting on lashes. So check out this glue, you guys. It just looks like normal eyeliner. It's so crazy. And it just grabs hold like right away. All right, I feel like that worked really well. I'm just gonna lightly fill these brows in. Did the eyebrows, let's do these lips, and then we're gonna move on to the hair, which is like the main portion of this entire video. We are glam, but now it's time for some hair. We're gonna have to curl this whole head of hair. This is gonna, I don't know, maybe we'll put it all in. We'll see what it looks like, wonky as hell, and then we'll curl what needs to be curled. I mean, personally, I have really thick hair, so this is not probably gonna blend completely for me. This is one of the longer ones. Here we go. One more here. They're like smaller pieces. This is a 2. There's 2 2s. Pretty basic amount. Okay, a single, another 2. This is a 3. Pick up all your hair except for like, say this much. You're gonna leave a little bit down and you're gonna put one of these double clips in there to make it stay. You're gonna kind of move it in little circles. I'm gonna do another layer, pull that hair down. Like, can we even see anything with these billowy arms? It's like blocking the whole view. I can already tell this is like hella thin to blend with my hair. Okay, I think the way around this is we're gonna have to do a half ponytail. I've done this before, so, and in that last section, we're gonna put the 4. So now we're gonna go back in and fit these 2s, and the single is gonna go on the bottom, all the way in the bottom. Now we just gotta fit the 2s in somewhere. Come in here somewhere on the sides, close to the front of our head as we can, because we don't have any long hair in the front, so we need this. in the front. So yeah, this set of hair extensions is really good if you already have long hair and you're just kind of beefing your hair up a little bit, or if you want to add some streaks to your hair without actually coloring it. This would be a good way to do that as well. But if you have short hair like me, you're gonna need probably 2 or 3 packs. Check that out. That blends so good. Cause like, okay, I'm gonna put my hair down, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. My hair is so thick that it's gonna look like heavy and then thin. Do you see how like heavy this hair is and then how thin this hair is? It's just not enough hair to blend the whole thing in, which is fine because I just didn't know that I needed 2 packs. But the color is spot the fuck on. Like, oh my God. It's literally spot on. Amazing. Love that. Maybe I can like leave these pieces down, kind of put the rest of it up in a half ponytail, and it will disguise the fact that I don't have enough hair extensions in right now. The little princess piece is hanging down. That actually looks like it blends. But I'm gonna curl it because we're not gonna have this like half done uncurled mess. Although if you were going for a rocker vibe, then yeah, that could work. But obviously I'm going for pretty princess today, so we're gonna have to curl this. Okay guys, we finished curling everything and honestly it looks fucking amazing and I'm really excited about this because the color is so exactly my hair. It's kind of shocking. Yeah, I love it. I curled these little pieces around the front because I just thought it looked really like pretty and whimsical. And I do have a scrunchie in the back, but I curled my hair so that it blends in. Let me show you. So here is the whole thing. And I think it looks really, really cute. Do we like it? I would, if I'm gonna wear my hair all down, I would buy a second pack of hair, and then I think that would be enough to blend all the way up to the crown of my head because I just, like I said, my hair is all one length and it's short, so it's difficult to blend into extensions unless I have layers. So just something to think about. I would probably get a pack of 14-inch hair extensions or 16-inch to blend on top of the 18-inch, and then that way it'll look more seamless. From like my hair, I think is around 12 inches, like naturally 16 to 18. Yeah, I think that would actually like look really good if I could do that. In this sponsored video, we got 1 pack of hair to play with, so that's what I have to show you guys. But you know, I always make it work, make it cute. Fabulous. I am such a catfish because I feel hot as fuck right now and I felt disgusting earlier today, so the hair itself is very soft. It's very like bouncy. I will say that I don't anticipate these curls to hold because as you can see there's no hairspray in them or anything, but it is already, you can see that the curls are like falling out, which is not necessarily a bad thing. It's, you know, the hair itself I believe is straight, like it's a straight textured extension. So unless you get a curly textured extension, they only hold soft waves. If you get a curly textured extension, that will hold your curl forever. Like it will hold a really long time. Here's the thing about it. Here's the thing though. You need to find hair extensions that match the texture of your natural curl pattern. So my hair is very, very straight. It hardly holds a curl at all. So these hair extensions are literally perfect for me because they blend with the way that my natural hair works. If you have curly hair, you should find a curly textured hair extension. Now, I'm not sure if Moresoo has different textures. I want to say that they do, but I have not gone into the Amazon shop and searched for every single thing that they offer, every single product. So that is something that I would definitely check out if you're a curly haired girl. But if you're gonna wear them straight and you're gonna straighten your own hair, then it really doesn't matter. You can get, you know, the straight textured hair extensions. I hope that makes sense. Let me just check for a second. Okay, so this packet of hair was only $66. That's actually really good for the amount that they sent, because I would need 2 packs, so that's like 120 bucks, and that's still a really good price. So yeah, I actually do think that that is a good price point for what they are giving, the amount of hair that they are giving. So even though it is thin for my hair, because it's so cheap, I would just buy 2 or 3 packs. Pretty on par. Actually, I think it's a little bit cheaper than most hair extension companies, if I'm being honest. All right, guys, make sure to look in the description box below for any coupon codes and links so that you can get your hands on these extensions. Success! Can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Make sure to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I'll talk to you really soon. Bye!